Welcome back to the channel, where nature always has a way of surprising us. When most people think of primates, they picture gorillas, chimpanzees, or perhaps the monkeys they see at the zoo. But our planet is home to some truly bizarre species that seem almost too strange to be real. Some wear colorful coats that look hand-painted. Others have enormous noses, ghostly faces, or eyes so large they seem to belong to creatures from another world. Today, we're counting down 7 of the most unusual primates on Earth. Animals so extraordinary that it's hard to believe they actually exist. And before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Every week, we explore the most fascinating wonders of nature, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's get started. Number 7. Red-shanked Douc. We'll begin with what many people consider the most beautiful monkey in the world. The red-shanked Douc is found mainly in the forests of Vietnam, Laos, and parts of Cambodia. At first glance, it almost looks as though it was designed by an artist rather than shaped by evolution. Its lower legs are covered in bright reddish-orange fur, giving the appearance that it's wearing red stockings. The upper legs are black, its face is golden, and long white whiskers frame its cheeks like an elegant costume. Few animals in the world display such an incredible combination of colors. But this monkey is much more than just a pretty face. Red-shanked Doucs spend nearly their entire lives in the treetops. They're highly skilled climbers and rarely come down to the ground unless they need to collect fallen fruit or seeds. These monkeys are also incredibly social. They live in groups that can contain 50 individuals or more, constantly grooming one another and communicating through a wide range of calls and body movements. Unfortunately, this remarkable primate is now critically endangered. Illegal hunting, habitat destruction, and wildlife trafficking have caused its population to plummet over the past few decades. Without continued conservation efforts, one of the most beautiful monkeys on Earth could disappear forever. Number 6. Mandrill. Next, we have a primate that looks like it walks straight out of a fantasy movie. The mandrill is instantly recognizable because of its astonishing colors. Adult males have brilliant blue and red ridges running across their faces, while their bodies display shades of orange, yellow, and pink. Their colorful appearance becomes even more intense as they mature. Scientists believe these bright colors help individuals recognize one another in dense forests and may also play an important role in social communication. Mandrills are highly social animals and sometimes gather in enormous troops containing hundreds of individuals. In rare cases, these groups can include more than 800 monkeys. That's one of the largest social gatherings seen among primates. Although they primarily feed on fruits, roots, insects, and seeds, large males have occasionally been observed hunting small vertebrates and even tiny antelope. Because of their size and massive groups, mandrills are often considered agricultural pests in certain regions. Sadly, hunting and habitat loss continue to threaten their populations. Still, few animals on Earth can match the mandrill's incredible appearance. If you saw one of these colorful primates in the wild, you'd probably think it was created by artificial intelligence. Number 5. Black snub-nosed monkey. Our next species looks almost mythical. The black snub-nosed monkey lives in the remote mountains of southwestern China, where winter temperatures can drop far below freezing. Most monkeys prefer warm tropical forests, but this species has adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments inhabited by any primate. Its thick fur helps it endure the cold, while its upturned nose gives it a truly unique appearance. Unlike most monkeys, its nostrils face upward, creating a face unlike anything else in the animal kingdom. These monkeys live at elevations of more than 10,000 feet, where snow can cover the mountains for months. To survive, they feed on leaves, fruits, bark, and even lichens growing on trees. Their long, dense fur makes them appear almost like mystical creatures from ancient legends. Because they inhabit such remote regions, scientists still know relatively little about their behavior. And despite their ability to thrive in extreme conditions, habitat loss continues to threaten their future. Number 4. Tonkin snub-nosed monkey. Another unusual monkey from Asia is the incredibly rare Tonkin snub-nosed monkey. Native only to northern Vietnam, this primate is considered one of the world's most endangered monkey species. Its most striking feature is its short, upturned nose. But that's not the only thing that makes it stand out. Its lips appear unusually full, giving the monkey an expression that many people compare to modern cosmetic lip fillers. The species was once feared to be extinct and remained unseen for many years. Today, scientists estimate that fewer than 250 individuals survive in the wild. That makes every remaining animal incredibly important to the survival of the species. These monkeys inhabit remote forests and spend much of their time high in the canopy, feeding on fruits, leaves, and seeds. Because they're so elusive, every new sighting is considered an important event for conservationists. The Tonkin snub-nosed monkey is a powerful reminder of how close some of Earth's most remarkable creatures are to disappearing forever. Number 3. Proboscis Monkey. If there were an award for the strangest nose in the animal kingdom, this next species would probably win it. The Proboscis monkey is native to the island of Borneo and is famous for one extraordinary feature: its enormous nose. In adult males, the nose can become so large that it hangs over the mouth, and despite countless jokes about it, this oversized nose isn't the result of bad luck. Scientists believe it plays a role in attracting females and amplifying vocal calls. The bigger the nose, the more attractive the male may appear to potential mates. These monkeys spend most of their lives in trees, but unlike many other primates, they are excellent swimmers. They can dive into rivers and swim long distances with remarkable agility. Their partially webbed feet even help them move through water more efficiently. Proboscis monkeys typically live in social groups, consisting of one dominant male, several females, and their young. Sadly, deforestation and habitat destruction are causing their numbers to decline. Losing these forests would mean losing one of the most unusual primates ever to evolve. Number 2. Our runner-up may be one of the strangest-looking mammals on Earth. The AI is a nocturnal lemur found only in Madagascar. It has large eyes, dark fur, oversized ears, and one extremely unusual feature: a long, skeletal middle finger. This finger serves a remarkable purpose. The AI taps on tree bark and listens for hollow spaces where insects may be hiding. It then gnaws through the wood and uses its elongated finger to pull out larvae. This feeding technique is unlike anything seen in other primates. Unfortunately, the AI's bizarre appearance has also made it the subject of fear and superstition. Many local legends portray it as an omen of death or misfortune. Some stories even claim the animal uses its long finger to curse people while they sleep. Because of these beliefs, many AIs are killed on sight. Combined with habitat loss, these superstitions have placed the species at significant risk. Yet despite its frightening reputation, the AI is an extraordinary and harmless creature that plays an important role in its ecosystem. Number 1. Philippine Tarsier. And finally, we arrive at perhaps the most alien-looking primate on our list. The Philippine Tarsier is tiny enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but its eyes are absolutely enormous. In fact, each eye is nearly as large as its brain. These gigantic eyes allow the tarsier to see exceptionally well at night, since it is almost entirely nocturnal. Because its eyes cannot move inside their sockets, the tarsier has evolved another remarkable ability. It can rotate its head nearly 180 degrees in either direction. This gives it an almost owl-like appearance. Despite its small size, the Philippine Tarsier is an efficient hunter, feeding mainly on insects and other tiny animals. It plays an important role in controlling insect populations within its forest habitat. Unfortunately, habitat destruction and human disturbance continue to threaten the species. And considering how unique this little primate is, losing it would mean losing one of nature's most extraordinary creations. So, which of these incredible primates surprised you the most? Was it the colorful mandrill, the bizarre proboscis monkey, or the otherworldly Philippine tarsier? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey through some of the strangest primates on Earth, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more amazing wildlife stories. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.